Alright, today in the Mirrors Up Dodge, we're going to be looking at replacing the front drive shaft. We'll take a look here at the old one. I don't know if you can see that CV there, but so that's going to be replaced. So we got 4 bolts here that are going to have to come out. Those take a T40, and I've got it set up where they're on 1/4 inch. Hopefully that'll be strong enough to hold up to get it out and away from the knuckle to turn on it. And I got a jack set up here so that I can turn the shaft as I need to get to each bolt. So I'll jack the wheel up and turn it and then take a bite at another one, and hopefully nothing breaks off. This is 16, these bolts are 16 millimeter or 5/8, so those got to come out, and I'll try to get them out in the same way. And this is our new shaft. Ordered it online. It's cheapo. I'm hoping once I get the old shaft out that I can get the bearings out and maybe put in good bearing spicers or something that's going to hold up, and then I'll just put the original shaft back in and sell this as a slightly used shaft. But I need to get this thing in here now because it's winter time and I may need 4-wheel drive at any time. So there's a 1/4 inch setup. Hopefully that's got enough power to not break, but it's thin enough to get in at it. And then there's my, and I'm using the 5/8 instead of the 16 because of that X. It's just easier to work with when I'm pushing on those bolts. So basically I got to take those 4 on one side and 4 on the other side out and see if we can get that drive shaft out. Ta-da! That's one side. don't know how well that camera can see, so hopefully it can see well enough, but I'm just using the prybar to keep the drive shaft from moving, and I'm hooking that 9/16, I mean the 5/8 on there and pushing it. I'm going to see if a ratchet and wrench will fit on there, because that's going to save me a lot of time if it does. It does. Yep, that does not look too healthy. Let's take a look. Looks like I'll want to reuse the guard. It's definitely the unit that we're looking for. Okay, and yeah, I mean, I'm definitely interested in rebuilding this one and putting it back in, and I'll gain this shaft guard back. Now, they should have Loctite put on them, but I don't have any, so don't do it this way. Alright, so out with the old and in with the nail. And I'll do another video here at some point. We'll try to take these out and see if we can't rebuild this original drive shaft.